Hello everyone, who as a group of three completed this project. My name is Shravya, ECE 4th year, JNT.
My name is Navina, ECE 4th year from JNTU College. My name is Shivani from ECE 4th year, JNTUH College.
Okay, let us dive into the project. We completed 1 month internship in Emertxe on embedded system of duration 1 month. Coming to the project, embedded systems. Embedded systems are specialized computing systems designed to perform dedicated functions or a task within a larger systems or a products. They consist of combination of hardware and software components tightly integrated to meet specific requirements. Embedded systems are found in a wide range of applications from consumer electronics like smartphones and microwave ovens to automotive control systems, medical devices, and industrial machinery. They are characterized by their real-time operation, often requiring rapid and predictable responses to input stimuli. Embedded systems plays a pivotal role in modern technology, enabling automation, control, and intelligence in various domains, contributing to the functionality and efficiency and systems we rely on daily. My name is Shravya. Coming to the topics learned during the internships are we learn introduction to C and conditional loops, operators, arrays and pointers, functions and strings, storage classes. And also coming to the embedded systems, we learn microcontrollers and the softwares which are used in our projects are MPLAB ID, Excite compiler and PiximLab, and also introduction to the various peripherals of PIC16FEI77A, interfacing various peripherals of PIC16FEI77. Attended Disha workshop. Coming to the contents, these are the contents we are learned in internship. What is micro oven? Micro oven is used to heat the food using microwave, which is a form electromagnetic waves. There are several modes in various in microwave oven. We are going to implement four modes, and these are as follows: micro mode, grill mode, convection mode, and start mode. Coming to the micro mode, this mode is used to cook food in a traditional way. It uses maximum power of 900 watts. In this, the maximum time that you set for cooking 60 minutes. And grill mode, this mode is used to cook meat and bread. It works as a micro mode, but the purpose is to cook meat and bread. Coming to the convection mode, in this mode, user can set the oven to preheat for a particular temperature, and it takes 3 minutes to preheat the oven. After preheating is done, the user can set time as per the requirement. And coming to the requirements, we use MPLAB ID, Excite compiler, PiximLab, microcontroller and microprocessor. Now, my friend will continue.
I am Shivani, microcontroller and microprocessor, an integrated circuit which is capable of being programmed to perform a specified task. It has a design restrictions such as memory size, input-output capabilities, peripheral functions, etc. Choose a microcontroller based on applications, performance, price, availability of tools, and special capabilities. Microcontroller and microprocessor are both fundamental components of modern computing and embedded systems, but they serve distinct purposes. Then come to matrix keypad. This is used when more number of user inputs are required and still want to save some controller. These keypads are most commonly used in telephones, calculators, digital lockers, etc. Then come to microcontroller versus microprocessor. In microcontroller, all components will be in a single chip, less flexible, less design complexity, and microprocessor have all components are assembled separately, more flexible, more design complexity. And come to the architecture of PiximLab. PIC16F877A consists of RS232, LEDs, buzzer, digital keypad, SSDs, matrix keypad, GPIO, ADC, CLCD, character liquid crystal display. In PiximLab, there are two types of display: 16 into 2 display, 16 into 4 display. It display the ASCII character and some special characters. two types of communication modes, 4-bit mode, 8-bit mode. And there are interrupts. An interrupt is a communication process set up in a microprocessor or a microcontroller in which an internal or external device requests the MPU or MCU to stop the processing. Then the MPU or MCU acknowledges the request and attends to the request, goes back the processing where it was got interrupted. Then ISR, Interrupt Service Routine. An ISR is a software routine that hardware invokes in response to an interrupt. ISR attends to the request of an interrupting source by clearing the interrupt flag and should save register contents that may be affected by the code in the ISR. It must be terminated with the instruction RETIE. When an interrupt occurs, the MPU completes the instruction being executed, then it disables Global Interrupt Enable, places the address from the program counter on the stock. Then come to the timers. Timer is an important application in any embedded system, which is a default peripheral which maintains the timing of an operation in sync with a system clock or an external clock. Timer or counter is a software designed to count the time intervals between the events.
Hi, my name is Navina. Coming to the project output. So coming to the code of this project, this is the main file, .c file, and here we have created matrix keypad file, and timers and CLCD ISR. So I'm building this project. So here we can see build is successful, and .hex file is generated. So I'm reloading the last. Here we can see that powering on microwave oven. So there are four modes: micro, grill, convection, and start. So I will click on start. So initially it will start with 30 seconds. So we can stop or we can pause this. So we can see the fan is rotating. It means the microwave is in on state. So here we are using 16x4 LCD display, and clock is set to 20 megahertz. Here we can see timer and we can hear the buzzer sound. I will move to grill mode. Here we can say set time. I will set to 20 hash. I can pause this or I can clicking on resume. So in convection mode, it will preheat. So after preheating, I can set the time. I'll set to 20 seconds. So these are our project outputs. So power on mode, display, it will display on 4 modes on screen. And when we initially start micro mode, power equals to 900 watts, and grill mode, convection mode, start and time up. Thank you for giving us wonderful opportunity. And we want to thank our mentors too.